G'day everyone. So today I'm going to do a pork belly in the air fryer. Put a bit of salt, vinegar on it. I'm going to cut it up and put them in there in the air fryer. So I've already had this in the fridge overnight to dry it out. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Let's put a bit of vinegar on it. Plenty of salt. Cut them into thin strips. All right, there you go. So I'm just going to cook them for 10 minutes just to get the skin a bit crispy. Then I'll separate them and brown them up after the 10 minutes. I'll go 200 for 10 minutes. There we go. All right, let's have a look. Oh yeah. I'm just going to separate them now. They can just cook. There we go. So I'll give them another 10 minutes and probably have to give them another turn. I don't know how they're going to turn out, but they're starting to look all right. Go 200, 10 minutes. Let's have another look. Oh, they're starting to look good. Looking nice. I'm going to need a bit more. Go 200. Go another 10 minutes. They take a bit of cooking. All right, let's check it out. Oh, beautiful. So they're done. There we go, pork belly, cut up in the strips in the air fryer. Let's give it a go. Look at that, beautiful. It's juicy, crunchy. Tender. That's nice, that's good. I think I'll eat all this. Beautiful. See you on the next one.